Guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel, Curvance TV. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to interact with the Curvance Testnet airdrop. So let's dive into it. As you can see, this is the official website of the Curvance, app.curvance.com, of which I'll be leaving in the description channel below. Now, as you can see, this is just a mini introduction showing that there is specific market, viewing the specific market, reviews the corresponding asset. Also, you can lock up your Curvance Testnet token, then claiming of the Curvance Testnet reward. Then you could go further also to view your dashboard, and also you can check the Curvance Testnet timeline. So you can invite only, there's also invite only access for you to invite your friends, then the Popo ecosystem access, partner role access, and all there is. So we're going to click on connect, and we're going to be connecting our wallet address that we want to use for the Curvance Testnet. So for me, I'll be using the MetaMask. I would advise you do so. You could use any other one you want to use. It's all good. So when you click connect, it's going to load. Now remember, if this is your first time, scroll to the bottom of the page and accept. Now if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, Curvance TV, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, and give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment section in the comment below if you are confused on anything. I'm going to explain it for you. Now this Curvance testnet is going to be a lengthy one, because it's a little bit complicated, but if you stick with me, I'm going to show you how to do it, everything about the Curvance testnet. So we are into it. So as you can see from here, the task to complete involves complete the following tasks and provide feedback on how the DApp can be improved. So this is the task. Now we have 3 different networks to complete the task on. We have the Barrier Chain network, we have the Arbitrum Sepolia network, and we have the Sepolia, which is the Ethereum Sepolia. So we'll work on these various networks one after the other. And as you can see, each of the network has a total of 9 tasks to carry out. Now after doing these 9 tasks, you in the Barrier Chain network, you switch over to the Arbitrum Sepolia network, and also to the Ethereum Sepolia, and you're good to go. So we'll click next. So that's just a summary of everything we'll be doing on this testnet. So as we click next, as you can see by my top right corner there, you will see what it's written. It's written by my top right corner, you see that there's a 27 notification there. So when you click on this top right corner, it will bring out this pop-up. As you can see, the first thing we're starting with is the Sepolia tax, which is the Ethereum tax. So once we carry out this tax, we are done, and we'll move over to the next tax, which is the Barrier Chain tax. Okay, then after that we'll move over to the Arbitrum Sepolia tax, and we are we'll fill the feedback form, and we are good to go. So let's dive into it. Good. So the next thing we're going to do is going to click on faucet. So now I'm going to click on this faucet on the top of the page there. Now when you click on faucet, you allow it to load. Now it's going to load up this icon, and at the bottom here you will see where it wrote claim all faucets. So that's 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, but the important ones is the 8 of them, except this Ethereum faucet. So we're going to click claim 8 available faucets. Now they are providing you the faucet you would need to carry out the task. Okay, so you don't need to really stress yourself, but there are some situations whereby a particular faucet may not be provided, and you may need to go and claim it elsewhere. But in the video here, I'm going to be showing you how to get there. So you click on confirm. Okay, estimated changes is still loading. Good. So as you can see, they are telling us the list of things we are going to receive when we claim this. 10 days. Okay, good. So it's loading. Just give it some time. Once it's done loading, we're going to click it and what, claim it. Good. So loading, requesting all faucets. So let's see what we have. It's still loading. Okay, good. So it will pop up again. So on your own, it may not happen like that, it may. Yes, good. So now the next thing we're going to do is what, sign, confirm the transaction, confirming that we are the owner of the wallet that we are using to carry out the testnet. So once you click confirm, yes, it will now load and claim the available faucet for you. So let's see. Good. So you see, success, faucet request sent successfully. So we have officially claimed all the faucet we need to carry out the testnet on the Ethereum network. Okay, now you see, please wait 24 hours before using faucet again. So for us to be able to use the faucet again is after 24 hours. So we are done with this. Now the next thing you're going to do is still click on this 26. As you can see, it reduced because the first tax under the Sepolia tax, which is the Ethereum Sepolia, has been done, which is to mint the testnet token, which we have done. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on the second tax. Now you click on deposit faucet. Now if you are new, don't skip the video, just follow the video step by step, and you'll be able to finish the Curvance airdrop. Yes. Now when you click on that deposit, you come down here, you scroll down, you will see where it goes to deposit. You click on deposit. Now you see the way I did it. The first thing I did was to claim the test token, mint the faucet token. Now after minting the faucet token, that's when I will now deposit. You don't just rush and skip test steps. You have to follow it step by step. So I'm going to deposit 25% of my portfolio. Yes, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to approve the transaction. Now I'm going to click on approve. It's loading. Now before you carry out any transaction on a new network, you are first of all going to approve it. After you approve it, then you will not be able to execute that transaction. It's a normal protocol in cryptocurrency space. So you click confirm. Though it's still loading, let it finish loading. Then once it's done loading, you can click confirm. Yeah, it's still the same thing. Now just like I told you, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Quest TV, as this will help us to grow on the YouTube space. So as you can see, the approval icon is loading, which means we have already given approval. So once it's done, we'll now be able to carry out the tax, which is to deposit 25% of our BTC, our wrapped BTC. One thing you should do is to ensure you have a stable network. So as you can see on the right, it said success, token approved successfully. So now you click back 25%, you click it again, you see, yeah, if you click it, it removes, if you click it, it comes back. So it must be showing this purple color, and then you click continue. Now the continue now is we want to confirm the deposit of the 25% of the wrapped BTC test token. It's not the real BTC, it's a test token. Okay, do not make that mistake anywhere. So as you click on it, it's going to pop up the MetaMask icon. Now for those of you that are new to this, if you're using your phone, you can use the Mrs. browser, yes, or the Kiwi browser, but then you should make sure you have downloaded the MetaMask extension on that Mrs. browser or the Kiwi browser. But if you're using your PC, you will also download the MetaMask browser wallet and set it up on your Google Chrome. I encourage you to use Google Chrome, as is one of the best. So you click confirm. So once you confirm this, okay, it's loading. Once it's done, you're going to see the same thing, success. When you perform each task, it will show you success. Now, one thing you should note is that some of these tasks require you to wait for about 25 to 30 minutes or maybe an hour. So you don't necessarily need to rush the task, okay? Then one important thing you should do, good, success, asset deposited and what? Posted successfully. Good. So we'll just wait for this to just what? Uh, Finish loading. Good. So transaction submitted. So there's no need viewing the transaction as it's shown this. Once it shows this, it means it's successful. You just click what? Close. Now on my right hand side, you will notice that what? The notification bar is reducing drastically. As you can see, from initially when we started it was 27, now it's 24. So when we minted the test token, this checked. When we deposited asset, this checked. In depositing asset as well, we collateralize our asset. This also was checked. So we have ended up performing 3 tasks here. Now before we move into the 4th or 5th to 9th task, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend. Now as you're new here, Curvance is one of the hardest things testnet to do if you are doing it without a guide. But if you follow a guide, it's going to be very easy. So what you're going to just do is you click here, toggle sidebar. On your left hand side, you click toggle sidebar. And when you click on toggle sidebar, you scroll down to where it wrote what? Bytes. It's showing you click on bytes because bytes is actually what you'll be accumulating. But then it's difficult to what? Accumulate bytes. Yes, it's not difficult actually. As you can see, this program has been running for about 2 to 3 months. But then the total bytes by the number 1 on the leaderboard is just 5,300. So you see, if you can get at least 1,000 bytes, you will qualify for what? A good what? Airdrop. So once you click on byte and you're on this page, the next thing you do, by the side of leaderboard above here, you click on referral. Once you click on referral, it's going to load the referral page. Now this is your referral page. So you see, you first of all input the referral code of the person who invited you. Yes, when you do this, you get a reward and the person will also get a reward. So the name is akukalia, akukalia. So I'm going to be leaving this referral code at the description channel below for you to use and redeem. In doing this, you're also helping us. You see, code redeemed successfully. So once you're done with this, now it's time for you to generate your own referral code. So you come here and you put in the name you want to use, Aka Nazuwa. So I want to use this name and then I'll click generate code. And when you generate code, you notice the name will pop up here. So once you have done this and you want to refer your friends, this is what you're going to copy. You just click here and you have copied your referral code to give to your friends. Now as you're done with this, let's go back again to the dashboard and proceed with our work. So as you can see, I'm ranking 80,000 out of 80,596. As of last week, it was actually 79,000 users. So you see, more persons are actually doing Curvance. But as you can see, not much persons are farming Curvance. Just 80,000. That's very, very poor. But that's by the way. So we'll go back and toggle this and let's go to the home page. You click on this top icon here, which is the Curvance. You click on the Curvance and it will take you to the home page. So we can toggle it back in. Good. So you now go to the right hand side. Now as you can see, as you are completing your tasks, it will be showing here. This is for each of the the blockchain, each of the network. We are working on the Ethereum Sepolia network. 1, 2, 3. We're done with 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remaining 6 stuffs to do. So the next thing to do is to borrow an asset. So now we're going to click borrow an asset. Though, like I told you, there are some of these tasks that you may be required to wait for about an hour. That's 30 minutes to an hour. Yes, I advise you wait. So borrow an asset. So as you can see, we cannot borrow now. It's showing what? Time left 15 minutes. So there's a countdown. Market cooldown activated. Withdrawing and repaying will resume when the timer what? Expires. So we're going to need to wait for about 14 minutes to be able to carry out this task. So we'll leave this for now and what? Go back to what? Order of the tasks on the what? On the table. So we'll scroll up, repay. Let's see. Repay. Let's see if we can repay. So when you go to repay, you will notice that what? Repay is still on the same way with what? Borrow. So we need to first of all be able to borrow before we can what? Repay. So you see, it says you have no debt to repay. So we cannot do this until we have what? We have waited for this timer and be able to borrow first. So you see, we can't do that for now. So you see why I told you that some of the tasks you have to wait for about what? Some time. Now, lend assets. Now let's click on lend asset and see what we have here. Okay, so on lend asset, okay, you see time left. We also have about 30 minutes countdown for us to lend asset. So you see, you have to wait for some time and you come back and you'll be able to what? Carry out this text. Now we'll go down and also lock CVE. So let's click on lock CVE and see what we have. Now when you click on lock CVE, it opens what? Another page entirely. So you scroll down, and you will see where it wrote what? This place here, continuous 12 months. Just leave it the way it is and just click 25%. Remember when you claimed what? That test token, when you minted the first transaction you did, that's when you got this. So the first thing, like I told you, we have to approve what? The transaction. For every first transaction you do, you need to approve. So we're going to approve this and what? We're done with it. So while we wait for it to load, remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, CoexCV, and also give us a thumbs up. It helps us to advance in the space. Yeah, and leave a comment at the comment section in case of any difficulty that you faced while doing the work, the testnet. So we'll click confirm, and we'll be able to approve the locking of CVE. So after approving this, we'll wait a little. Once they show success that it has been approved, then we can now good, success, token approved successfully. Now we can now go ahead and create lock. So you click on create lock. So we're about to lock our CVE. CVE is also Curvance, is a test token actually. So when you click this, so you now click on confirm. Immediately you click on confirm, it's loading. Now, like I told you, this is not a video you should rush. Just follow it step by step, so you will not make any mistake. In the crypto space, it's very, very, important you follow everything gradually. So you see, success, we have actually locked our Curvance. So now when you check this notification, you see it has reduced more. Now it's not 23. Okay, so we'll go down the next one and we'll click on unlock CVE. And when you click on unlock CVE, yeah, there's no even need clicking on it because it's still in the same page where we locked our CVE. Okay, yes. So you click, okay, network, that's a network issue. Good. So it's actually loading. So it has opened. So as you can see, your lock data is updated every 15 minutes. So as you can see, we actually logged 2.5, but since they told us to unlock, so you click on manage. Now when you click on manage, you come here and click on unlock, early unlock. So as you can see, because we are locking it very early, you see what they said? You will receive only 0.5 and you're going to lose 1.9995 CVE. So you click confirm. Now remember, this is just a test token, So we should not actually attach any value to any of these things. So that's why I'm going ahead to unlock the CVE, so that we'll complete another task on the notification bar above there. So why will it wait for it to unlock? Okay, so you see, it's not actually difficult to do the Curvance testnet. It's not difficult, you know. For you to be able to level up, you just need to refer your friends and loved ones. So early access activated, you click cancel. And when you check here, let's see what we have here. So you will notice that another tax has checked, which is the unlock CVE. So what we have left is the withdraw. So let's see. Okay, the platform is actually lagging a bit, but it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter. I feel it's more of a network issue. Yeah. So I think we're back. We're back live. So remember, we still have some countdown going on. So I'm going to wait for some time while the countdown still continues before we proceed. So I'm going to be pausing the video and resuming it when the countdown has stopped, so that I can effectively teach you guys the whole process from beginning to the end without skipping anything. So see you guys when the unlock time finish. So let me come here and pause this. So as you can see, the timer has already elapsed. The 15 minutes timer is done. So we can now go and claim all our transactions. Okay. So now I'm going to click on borrow asset. Okay. I'm going to click on borrow asset here. It's loading. Now we'll go here and we'll click on borrow. Now when we click on borrow, as you can see, it's showing this. You click on 25%. Okay, 25%. Let's see. Okay, we don't have any asset here currently, so we'll have to reload. Let's reload the page. Okay, most times it happens, you know. Yeah, the first time I was doing it, I experienced the same thing. Yeah, so we're going to go again. Now, good. So as you can see, the asset has reflected. So now we're going to click on 25%, and you're seeing 210 USDC. So you click on continue and you click on borrow. So yeah, the MetaMask pop up, you confirm. And once you confirm the transaction, good, success. So good. So you can see one more notification is down. And you click on the notification, you will notice it's now 21. Cancel. So you see, this timer we have to wait for about 19 minutes. That's a 20-minute timer. But then we can go and do other transactions. So we have just borrowed. So let's lend. Yes, let's lend. Oh, so you click on lend. So as you can see, we have money to lend there. So we click on 25% and click approve. Now remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Coex TV, and hit the thumbs up, to like our video, and leave a comment in the comment section in case you are facing any difficulty whatsoever, and I'm going to leave an easy explanation to that problem for you. Yeah, so while we do this, it's advisable you follow the steps one after the other, so as not to make any mistake, because it can be very complicating. Yeah. So you click confirm to confirm that we just lent a particular amount. It's loading. Good, success. So you close this. So you notice, so as you can see, we are almost done with what? The Sepolia, which is the Ethereum Sepolia what? Testnet. So what is left for us to do is to what? To repay and to withdraw. So let's withdraw and let's see. Remember, for the repay, the amount is still going. Okay, for the withdraw, it says please wait 18 minutes. So we're going to wait for another 18 minutes to be able to what? Carry out this test. Yes, and once we do that, I believe that will be all, and we'll be what? We'll be done with what? The Ethereum Sepolia, and finish the feedback and claim our byte. Now, there are 3 networks here. Whenever you finish each of the network, you claim 100 bytes. Yes. So when we're done with this, we'll claim our byte. Yeah. So I'm going to pause the video again for the second time while we wait for the final what? Countdown, and we are all good to go. Now, why it's not good to start jumping from one network to the other is because it could, you could experience some glitch. Yeah, I have noticed it in a friend's laptop. You could experience some glitch. So it's advisable you wait, for the timer to elapse, finish each chain, and you're good to go. So we'll pause again and, come back and finish it once we are all done. So as you can see, we are back and the timer is done counting. So we're going to now click on the what? The repay option to repay the money we borrowed. So as you can see, it's now very clear now and there's no countdown here. Okay, so put 25% and approve. Now remember, once again, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, do not forget to what? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Curvance TV. So you click on confirm and you wait for the what? The channel to approve. So token approved successfully. You click what? Continue, and you what? Repay. Now this is just for one chain. I'm not going to be doing the entire chain, just this one chain, and the same thing. You do the same thing for the rest of the chains and you're good to go. But then I will show you how to claim the 100 bytes. So you click confirm. Okay, it's loading. Now if you have followed us this far, you will know that it's not difficult. But then if you don't follow a guide, it's going to look difficult to you. As you can see, the notification number keep reducing. It's now 19. So let's do the final one for the what? The Ethereum Sepolia, which is the withdraw. Now I've clicked on withdraw. It's going to load the withdraw section, and you see there's no timer here as well. So you click on withdraw, you put 25%, and you continue, you click withdraw, and this is going to be the final tax for the what? The Sepolia, the Ethereum Sepolia. And when we are done with this, okay, you click confirm. Give it time. Good. So as you can see, immediately you're done with the final task for that particular chain, you're going to now fill this what? Feedback form. So the first question is, when comparing Curvance to other products you have used before, how would you rate your experience? For me, I decided to give them 5. You scroll up, how could we improve this process? Or for me, I just write LFG. LFG in crypto means let's fucking go. The second question, when comparing Curvance to other products, in terms of borrowing, how do you what? Rate it? 5. Same thing, LFG. Now you do this for all of them, follow me carefully because it's not all of them you're going to put LFG, so you don't land yourself in trouble. And also, do not forget, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, you see our videos are highly educative and we help to solve problems. So do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up. It means a whole lot to us. Okay, what matters most to you when picking a money market? User experience. The user experience has to be friendly. How would you rate your experience? Well, if you go through this video, you have to rate it good because I've obviously explained it very well for you. Optional, please provide any more information you would like. As the stated, there is optional. Question: would you like to provide content information and feedback? Optional, there's no need for that. So this also, okay, so you put in your Discord name and you submit. Immediately you submit, you will see right here it wrote what? 100 byte claimed, 200 byte remaining. So once we are done with the remaining tasks, we'll officially claimed it. So when you scroll up and go over here, click on this toggle sidebar, click on byte, you'll see that your rank has improved from 80,620 to 80,174 because we have finished one of the tasks. Now entering into the second one, I will just give you guys a hint. So you come here and you close this particular chain, then you come here and you open the second chain, which is the bearer chain. And the first thing to do on the bearer chain is the first task, which is what? Mint testnet tokens. So you click on it and it's going to prompt your MetaMask. Why is it prompting your MetaMask? So that you're going to switch network. To switch network to the bearer chain testnet network. So we're going to approve this and add the bearer chain testnet network. And when we are done adding it, we can now go ahead to claim to mint all the testnet token that we'll be needing for the bearer chain network. So now we'll go ahead and click on mint testnet token again. Good. So as you can see, it has taking us into the bearer chain testnet phase. So now you can now go ahead and click mint testnet token. When you click on mint testnet token, it's not going to load that icon for you to mint the testnet token. Now for you not to waste your time, you could as well, okay, it has loaded it. See, you must claim bearer in order to claim other assets from the faucet. So as you can see, we need to go and look for bearer. The bearer chain Batio V2 is a proof of liquidity testnet chain developer can test here. Click here to learn more. So I'm going to be dropping the next video, which is the part 2 of the Curvance Testnet, showing you how to claim bearer chain, because if you try doing this, it may not work because we don't have the bearer chain separately. Just like they told us, you must claim bearer. So bearer does not come with all this. So they are going to most likely tell us insufficient gas. So as you can see, network fee we don't have. So on the next video, see you guys, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.